Oh, I turned before you.
I'm probably the youngest nigga at this table.
Say that again. Repeat it.
Real talk?
Ooh.
Oh, we gonna jump you niggas as soon as you turn 18.
I bet you I say it's 17.
He turned 18 this Friday.
Oh, he's cute.
Hooters, nigga.
Who's for real?
Can't touch the bitches.
Hey, so, hey, no, no.
That boy mine. I don't like them bitches, man. Damn nipples and all that wings. You can't eat that shit. You run shit all out, run up all your damn barbecue honey wings and shit. You can't eat that bitch. Fuck that. $10 all you can
What are you saying throwing us? That nigga video camera up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is lunch table, man.
That boy got a clear camera on him. This
nigga got enough energy.
Hey, get this.
That nigga said 3 o'clock meeting, let's go.
Hey, you know who played Deanne?
It's what?
Deanne this dick.
Hey, he got your ass again. Hey, he got your ass
Hey, get this thread on your camera. Get this thread. Get this thread. I'm gonna kill your ass.
I'm putting this joke on Facebook tonight. As soon as I get some Wi-Fi.
I ain't got a Facebook.
That nigga lying. Mondre Drizzy Bates or something like that.
You got Drizzy your Facebook name? You got Drizzy your Facebook name? No. Black.
Hey, do it. Do it. Hey, do it as hard as you can. Do it. Hey, one time, Mike. Do it.
What you be doing?
Right. He rocking hold on.
Ain't no coaches up in this thing.
I know, just do it.
Hey.
My kid freestyle.
Going
in.
Oh my God. That nigga in his helmet.
Come on, freestyle, baby.
That's no tag. Fuck your girl up, put it in the pussy. I'm coming out. Truly you can stay at the end. Put the girl on your dick, but you ain't getting in. Real. Put your girl hard, girl on the pill. Sitting here and eat my watermelon. I'm coming out, nigga. You just ain't shit.
What?
That shit didn't rhyme, but it's okay. My album come on time.
What's
up, man?
That nigga's stupid.
That's what them JD folks do.
JD folks.
Don't let that nigga do.
Hey, we need to catch this nigga's live.
What?
We need to catch your live when you're full effect.
Catch that. No, catch this, nigga.
Have I showed you Candace, though?
Who?
Candace?
Did you show me Candace?
Candace dick fitting him out.
That was a good one.
Say what?
My long dick.
Malone. Hey, get that nigga ready.
Hey, Joaquin, about time you show up. Where you been? Where you been, Joaquin? Oh, yeah, y'all had to clean, huh?
Niggas wanna
Get that nigga with that candy.
Hey, did I show you a picture of Candace?
I'm not even, no. I ain't stupid do that shit. I ain't stupid. I ain't stupid.
But it might be fat.
Nigga, you better back up. Shit.
Black man, that ass.
Yeah, motherfucker. Cell block.
I'm supposed to be going to pre-med, man. Pre-med, that's across town.
Yeah.
Well, I got my x-ray here. That's what we going to pick up the slides today, nigga. I don't feel like going. Real talk, man. This traffic bad at this time of the day.
I mean, you do have other choice.
What's that?
He did play with a fucked up arm.
Take an hour break, come back, take an hour break.
What's always just go home?
Right, he good,
Y'all can suck my dick, though. That's y'all choice.
Watch film, take an hour break.
Chris just quit the team. Have all your closest friends.
So we have an hour in the gym today?
It's okay.
How you know? But do we have to lift today?
Are you sure? This nigga be waiting on the nigga to quit, man. They be ready for that you. Nigga hand being out like this.
Alright, I'm gonna get his chin strap. I'm gonna get his ankle weight.
All right, freshman lunch table out. Everybody say bye.
See bricks, boys.
Hey man,
Talk $4,000.
this way, you good? No, I can't.
That's all you gonna do?
Nigga been throwing the game signs on camera.
Jimmy, get me. Alright, niggas, Gucci.
C-Squad going, you know.
Hold it down.
Yeah.
Hoes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hoes.
Bitch, you came from Germany. What the fuck is you doing?